Hey guys, welcome back to Cat Goes Fishing. Today we are going to go out onto that sea in style with the fanciest boat in the game and this fancy hat. We have a new quest here, catch 5 lumina, and those are way down at the bottom, the very bottom. And I'm just gonna go out way far to sea so that we see some fish that we have not seen before. I can't talk, my god. I got my trusty tea, so life is good. All right, did we go far enough? I don't know. Oh, we spilled a little tea. Okay, it's all better. I don't know, I want to go out as far as we can. So today there was a catastrophe. Really, seriously, I was really sad. I looked in my fish tank, as I do every single day, because I love my fishy and I love my snail. And the snail was dead. I was so sad. I couldn't believe that he's dead. I had to take the lid off and then stare at him for several minutes just to confirm to myself that my snail is indeed dead, deceased. So, in addition to be really sad because I get really unreasonably attached to my pets, my fish tank is gonna get dirty unless I get a new little snail as a friend. So I'm gonna have to do that, and I don't know, it's so hard. I was so attached to that one. Anyway, I better stop or else I might cry and then that'll be really embarrassing. I'll have to stop the video and it's not good. Okay, I see a fish that I've never seen before. So I'm just gonna go right in. Okay, oh, those are normal. We know about skitters. Oh, that's a new fish, see? These ones, those are cool, and that green one. Oh, he's big. Okay, so we have to go. We probably are gonna need to use our rocket to get down far enough. So let's bring this one back up. Lumina are little, so you don't have to have something really big. Let's rocket, bomb, light bulb. I like the light bulb. That's so that we can see everything. Okay, so the hard thing is that we have to get all the way to the bottom without somebody trying to take our bait. No, that's why the bomb's there, but yep. Okay, we caught one of the new fish, which is kind of neat. Even though this is not a lumina, it's neat, right? It's a new fish. There we are. And then we're gonna put him right in the boat because we want money too, because the next thing that we have to do is upgrade to the best rod that exists in the game. That's really what we want to do. Oh man. Okay, we're still sinking. I'm wondering if I don't actually have to get a better rod just to get down to the bottom. I hope not, because if that's the case, then that's gonna be really sad. All right, rocket, bomb. I'm gonna go a little further. Okay, yumsies. Oh, that's it. That's as far as we can go. Good. Now I feel like we've accomplished something. Okay, down we go. Into the watery depths. Oh man. I didn't really want to explode that quickly. I really want to make it down. No! Oh god! Oh! Sucks. Okay, so the hardest part of this challenge is gonna be getting to the bottom without some other fish going, oh, I want that yummy snack. Well, I don't want you to have that snack. Actually, not interested in that. Okay, rocket, bomb, bam. Oh, please get to the bottom. That's all I've ever wanted. Okay. Those guys move fast, actually. They're really fast. Okay, it's getting darker. This is good. Oh God, what's that? He's big. Oh, there's Lumina. Those are Lumina. Okay. Come up. The other thing is getting them on our little hook and then trying to get them all the way up. Oh my God, come on. I wonder if we're just slightly too high up. I couldn't talk there, sorry. Sit up straight. My God, your posture. Oh, I lost my light. The Luminas are light, though. They're pretty cute. Okay. Come on. This is... Oh, there's a mustard fish. I don't really care for them. Okay. We just need the Lumina to come up a little tiny bit. I really wonder if that's the problem. Oh, those are cool. I saw a different fish. I'm gonna go up. I think that we need to upgrade our rod. Oh, he ate our bait. Oh God. So if we catch another hat, maybe we can change our bait here about Lumina catching. I'm not really sure if that's the issue, but it doesn't seem like we're getting deep enough. And that makes me sad. A sad little kitty. All right. And we definitely don't even have enough to upgrade. All right, whatever. Put your happy face on. Improve your catitude now. All right, down to the watery depths of my soul. Oh. That didn't take long. All right. Okay, now we're pretty deep again. There's some Lumina. Oh, that one. Oh, yeah. Okay, so that's not going to be a problem. We just have to use that extra oomph. And I was kind of pushing on my mouse there. Yeah. What? Bulbfish? That's not a Lumina? Oh my God, this whole time I was like, oh yeah, that's a Lumina. That's a Lumina. My mind has exploded. Sorry, you guys. That is sad. Okay, so Lumina isn't on this list yet. Maybe it's the kind of neon light blue sort of color that's glowy. I feel like such a ding-a-ling. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I was so confident too. I was like, that is totally a Lumina, you guys. And I was so very, very wrong. How embarrassing. Okay, so whatever. That fish is worth some money, so I'm going to be happy. Okay, we're kind of normal fish, but he ate it. He ate my bait. That is a sad, sad day for me. Bam. Oh, that was a stupid cast. Come here. All right, Tangfish. In you go. So, I wonder what I need to do to get to that Lumina. All right, let's get one of these. Oh, okay. Hey, don't get it. I thought he was gonna come in for a bite. Okay, we're gonna go back a little bit more so that we can kind of check out the scene back here. Because the fish kind of hang out different spots depending where you are. So if it's that medium blue fish, then what that means to me is that I have to use a small fish to get to it. Oh, those are cool. There's like tetras. That's definitely cool. Okay, rocket, bomb, light. Okay, we're gonna go for it. We're gonna try our hardest. Down we go, into the water. I'm slouching again, man, bad habits. Oh. Okay, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Alright, so those are bulbfish. And of course those are mustards. Oh man, there's tons of them. Alright, let's go this way. Oh, we can't. That's pretty much it. Alright. Now I'm just kind of investigating. Investigative reporting. Oh, more mustards. Huh. I think that we're gonna... Oh, there's something different. Oh, he ate my bait. Okay, whatever. Alright, we're gonna try here. And in we go. It's a lovely day for a fish. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Oh, what about this red one? Oh yeah, I got him. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. He's expensive. Don't you eat him. Don't you eat him. Oh God. Oh, I knew it. Right when I saw those aggressive ones. Oh, that was sad. I almost had him back. God. Alright, in we go. Oh, no, no, no. Those are cool. Those are cool too. Oh, look at those blueies. Look. Neato. Can I have one? Oh, get away. No, stop looking. I was trying to get one of those and they are looking at me. I hate them. So mean. Cruel and uncalled for. Oh, God. Oh, these are different. No, don't eat it. Come on. Come on. Okay, good. He just wouldn't come. Okay, what do we got? A tetra. Cool. I'm down with tetras. Oh, that was really bad. Tetras are awesome. All right, we caught this little guy. Now, rocket. Let's see how deep we're gonna go. I think that we can go pretty deep. Come on. If we just can stay out of these other guys' way. Oh, get away. Okay. Oh, now we're pretty deep. Oh, don't eat it. I actually need my bait. This isn't for you. Oh. We're pretty deep. I should have put a light on. I'm sorry. Oh. I see something on the mini map. Cool. Oh, I think there they are. That blue thing? Okay. Oh, I don't have anything on my... Oh yeah, it's that blue one. Oh, I got something. Oh, it's cute. It's a clownfish. How cute. Oh, no. Don't eat him. Don't eat my little clownfish. He's all I've got. He's all I have in this life. $40,000. Hey. I like that. I'm gonna use that money to upgrade my rod. Ooh, right through there. And come here. Come along, my little friend. I'm going to use you as the bait that you are. Okay, even though you're worth $2,000. And light bulb. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Alright. We're going pretty deep now. Deep. Oh! That was emotional as ever. Oh God, are you serious? Well, that's okay. We're going to use him to hopefully catch something big, because I don't care for mustard fish, especially mustard fish that have their tail eaten off. Let's try to get something big. All right, we didn't bother with a bomb because we don't need to go that deep. Oh, look at this huge bait, you guys. Come on. Where's a nice big fat fish? Oh, here's one. Yeah, he likes it. He's like, I don't mind that the tail is missing, I'll eat it. In we go. All right. Oh, he's worth some money too. Not like that clownfish. Our boat is still not full. See, that's another good thing about this whole excellent boat that we got last time, because we can go on forever. Oh, come here. No, be interested. Okay. All right, now let's put a rocket and bomb on this baby, and we're gonna try to get that Lumina. At least one, for goodness sakes. This is terrible. This is not what I decided to do this morning when I set out to go catting around. Come on. My kittens are hungry. Gotta feed the babies. Alright. And I don't know if we're deep enough. Oh, we are. There's one. Okay, I'm just gonna hang out in this vicinity for a second. Oh, my light went out. Dang. Okay. I wish they would come up a little bit. I don't know. Oh, what's this? Come on. I see that big guy on the left side. Oh, he was almost tall enough. Come on. Tall enough. That makes no sense. Alright, he turned around again. Good. Oh, there it is. Come on. Ah! I went up. And I think that ruined my chances. Oh my God! I actually jumped. I forgot that I had the bomb. I'm such a loser. Oh my God. I'm blushing. I can feel the blush. Oh my God, I'm turning red. Whoo. Okay. Calm thyself. Oh my God. Okay. Sorry if my little cat hoodie got warm. Put it down. That's the worst thing ever. What the heck was I thinking? Come on. Oh well, it's fine. It's fine. We're gonna be okay with this. I cannot believe that bomb made me jump like that. Oh, give me a break. Give me a break, you guys. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so I think that my new personal goal, and I might do some off-camera work for this, is to get enough money to improve our rods so that we can go deeper just without all of this nonsense of the rocket. Because obviously when we're rocketing, we're kind of getting in close enough, but not really, not what we should be to effectively catch these little luminas. And yeah, that's sad. I'm sorry. I thought we were, but I made a gross miscalculation apparently. Either that or I'm totally forgetting something. Like maybe it's more shallow when you get closer to shore. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not that much of an expert. I'm just an enthusiast. All right, down we are. And, oh, we're getting pretty deep this time. That's good. I didn't put on a light. Did not. And I actually have a big thing on here, so that's what we're gonna try to get. All right, don't jump this time. Okay. Oh, that's too big. That's too big. I see a tail in the water. It's too much. All right, one more big thing, and then that's it. Oh, there's a lumina. Oh, I want one. Oh, what's this? That's fine. Oh, bother. I thought that we didn't have anything on our rod, and so I let this nonsense happen. Oh, man. Oh, God. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna sell everything we have. Take a little look-see at the rods. Okay, so we need 180,000 to get the great rod, and that's what we're gonna do. The master rod is great, but that is a long ways away. That is a lot of fish, you guys. All right, well, I hope that you like this episode, and I will see you next time for more cattying around nonsensory. Bye.